Hey everybody, welcome Tech4O channel here. And that is a controller which is supposed to look like the DJI Spark. And of course it isn't, it is a clone in fact. A clone which is the transmitter for this drone. It's called the 19HW. It's a device which was sent to me by lighttake.com for the purpose of the review, and as usual I'm free to say anything I like about this drone, and hopefully this review is going to help you to find out whether it is worth the 45 bucks you're supposed to pay for it or not. Interestingly, this has spent almost a week on my desk and I've been wondering what kind of review I'm supposed to do, and in the meanwhile DJI have released their brand new DJI Mavic Air, which is supposed to be a combination between the DJI Spark and the DJI Mavic Pro. And surprisingly or not, we have foldable arms and we have a design exactly like the DJI Mavic Air. So I can easily say that this is one of the first Mavic Air clones I'm about to test over here. Unboxing, initial impressions, and some flight performance. That's what we are going to do in the next few minutes. Let's start! The main advantage of having a clone drone is the price tag. Do not confuse the advanced technologies that companies like DJI implement with the rather entry-level setup we get here. On the other side, it is admirable to see what is packed within this sub-$50 model. The box indicates two different camera options. There's a 0.3 megapixel version and a 2 megapixel camera. Most of the features are rather discreetly marked on the side, and the white color resembles the design strategy of you know who. We are immediately made aware of the FPV function, which is based on a connection with the smartphone via the app. Before getting our hands on the YH19, the manufacturer gives us the user guide. I had to read it before my first takeoff, because some of the controls slightly differ from their regular positions. The flight controller seems to support every feature a toy-grade drone may offer. Altitude hold, 3 speeds, headless mode, and flips to impress the others. There's a quick tutorial for the mobile app, and once you put it away, we have access to the real gear. Spare props, charging cable, and demo screwdriver included. Just look at that! The drone can fit in almost any size of pocket, so does the transmitter. Compact and very functional, and you can even shoot selfies, although in rather poor quality. This transmitter is the closest to how the Spark One looks like. Materials feel quite different, and these antennas here have one and only purpose: to look beautiful. There's no wire inside, they are just a cosmetic addition. Because I dislike the stock screwdriver so much, let us take this shortcut and find out that you need 3 AA batteries to feed it with power. And now, His Majesty the YH19. Good looking, and I'm saying it in advance, well performing. Although cheaply built, I like the design better than other foldable clones like the XS809W for example. Mechanisms are clicky, there seem to be no wires exposed to dangerous friction, and the LEDs are beautiful. As for the battery, 800 mAh, and I wish slightly better plastic has been used for the housing. The biggest advantage is the availability of micro USB port. You can easily find a charger literally everywhere. Just like the DJI Spark and many other drones lately, binding happens automatically, a few seconds after you turn the drone on and switch the transmitter on. Because there is no GPS integrated, you better keep it within short distance when flying. The drone is very responsive to commands, and you may even control it via the smartphone app. I'll rate the flight performance as very good because of the well-balanced communication between the drone and the TX. Surprisingly, although the Wi-Fi is on all the time, it seems to not delay any inputs or interfere with the joystick. A full battery charge will give you up to 10 minutes of autonomy. flight performance is good, and the camera on the other side could be better. Likely, the 2-megapixel motor will capture significantly nicer looking footage. Having no SD card slot leaves you with the only option of recording via the app. What do you think? I believe this is a very portable drone with good specs for the price you pay. Should you decide to buy it, get a modest discount using the links in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you're okay spending 5 seconds to help me, just hit the share button and show it to your friends. Make sure to fly responsibly your drones, and I'm looking forward to see you soon.